Today we have to control by ppm need to be a coverage and two FCU. See, and one over here and one over here. FCU you see, and a main line auto. See, this is an old auto control in, and because this depends by with thermostat, right? This is a coil, return and supply coil, cooling coil, then unit, then okay, this inside and blower, and he's cooling and giving to, and see duct line is distribute everywhere in this main line, and after there is going and there, here, and like this distributed. See, and chill water system is come to like this pipe also. See, right, going there and going to a main line. Here also same, right. This you can see nicely, huh? See, like this, all like this arrange. You can live and you can study like this, how to this assemble and how to install unit. See, there are too much big bar in slab 2 and unit, and bar fixing bar, and they are hanging all unit. See, nicely you can see. This one is in duct line, because this one chill water system HU. This is duct line when supply and return. Here have, see, that one also like this distribute. See, so distribute, and here have some damper. They also have some damper, but damper have then they can nicely distribute, right? Okay, and check, I need to be show you this line, very big duct line. See, very big duct line, supply and return, and supply is one HU is come to here and direct, another one is go there, and here here nicely distribute, and return grill here and supply grill another side. The two easy way. Okay, and here have supply damper and exhaust damper, and return damper not here available, and rooftop that one, right?